Welcome to Tool Tech Geek. I'm gonna show you a device here that is a very small drill, or a screwdriver if you wish. It comes with a bit set of the sizes listed here. As you can see, it comes with this extender. I added this small drill bit here to test if this can be used for drilling holes. So let's do a small test here. So this can drill holes. Here are a couple other ones. So I think it's pretty fast, and in contrast with the electric ones with battery powered, you have to worry about charging batteries or storing them, maintaining them. So I think it's pretty nice for some situations if we don't want a very bulky piece of equipment. Some of the old style drill braces, they last hundreds of years. I don't know if this will be the case, but it's a very compact tool, which I think is pretty interesting. It is not super lightweight. If we look at the weight of the whole kit here, let's see how much it is. Something to keep in mind, but I think it's gonna be less than a battery powered one. Here we have 240 grams for the handle. Then the kit starts to add 300 grams, 316, and if you have any other bits, it goes a little higher up in ounces. That is 11.6 ounces. So in any case, it's a pretty compact thing. I like it. Thank you for watching.